to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most breathtaking luxury homes across the United States. Today's episode takes you inside an extraordinary dream mansion that perfectly defines elegance, scale, and modern American luxury living. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a powerful first impression. The exterior showcases a bold architectural design with clean lines, expansive glass walls, and perfectly manicured green landscaping. Bathed in natural daylight, the mansion feels open, welcoming, and undeniably grand. A sweeping driveway leads you toward a statement entrance that immediately sets the tone for what lies inside. As we step through the front doors, you're greeted by a dramatic double-height foyer filled with sunlight. Warm yellow ambient lighting blends beautifully with rich textures and carefully selected red accent details, creating a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. The design balances modern sophistication with comfort, making it clear that this home was built not just to impress, but to be lived in. Moving into the main living area, the scale of this property truly reveals itself. The living room features soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. Plush seating arrangements, elegant decor, and a refined color palette of yellow, green, and red create a vibrant yet balanced atmosphere. This space is perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful moments with family. Just beyond the living room, the dining area offers an elevated experience for formal dinners and casual gatherings alike. A large designer dining table anchors the room, surrounded by stylish seating and statement lighting overhead. Natural light pours in during the day, while soft ambient lighting transforms the space into an intimate setting at night. The chef's kitchen is a true masterpiece. Designed with both function and style in mind, it features top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and expansive countertops. Yellow under-cabinet lighting adds warmth, while green and red accents bring character and energy to the space. Whether hosting large events or preparing everyday meals, this kitchen delivers a professional-level experience. The home also includes a stunning TV lounge and entertainment areas designed for relaxation and fun. With comfortable seating, a massive screen, and carefully designed lighting, it's the perfect spot for movie nights, sports events, or simply unwinding after a long day. As we move upstairs, the private areas of the home offer comfort and tranquility. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, featuring generous proportions, large windows, and a calming design aesthetic. Soft lighting, luxurious finishes, and thoughtfully chosen colors create a peaceful environment ideal for rest and relaxation. The private balcony offers beautiful views of the surrounding landscape, making mornings and evenings especially enjoyable. The ensuite bathroom feels more like a high-end spa than a traditional bathroom. Premium materials, elegant fixtures, warm lighting, and touches of greenery come together to create a space focused on comfort and wellness. Additional bedrooms throughout the home are equally impressive, each offering its own unique design while maintaining the overall luxury theme of the property. These rooms are perfect for family members or guests, providing privacy without compromising on style. For those focused on health and wellness, the private gym is fully equipped and designed with motivation in mind. Bright lighting, mirrored walls, and modern equipment make this a space where fitness becomes part of everyday life. Step outside, and the property truly transforms into a resort-style escape. The outdoor area features a stunning swimming pool surrounded by green landscaping and stylish red accented furniture. Whether you're hosting poolside gatherings or enjoying a quiet afternoon under the sun, this outdoor space delivers the ultimate luxury lifestyle. This dream mansion is a perfect example of modern American luxury, where architecture, design, and comfort come together seamlessly. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a home that feels grand yet welcoming, bold yet timeless. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible property. Stay tuned for more unforgettable luxury homes coming.